Like many other refuges, the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge has tools to help both wildlife and visitors. One 2013 addition to their vehicle fleet is a zero-emission tram that will help connect visitors with staff and nature along a 6-mile auto tour.
Our new tram came from Don Edwards San Francisco Bay National Wildlife Refuge. It's part of a low-impact environmental survey that's being done across national wildlife refuges to see if trams, electric trams especially, could be useful for visitors on national wildlife refuges.
When driving the auto tour, visitors are required to stay in their vehicles to lessen the disturbance to waterfowl and are only allowed to exit their cars and trucks in designated park and stretch areas. The new tram allows visitors a nearly 360-degree view of the seasonal marshes and allows them to hear the calls of thousands of birds without the sound of a car engine.
The tram being very, very quiet is really helpful. Early in the season, birds are usually scared off by vehicles, and that's just because about half the population are juveniles and born this year, and they're not used to seeing people and vehicles.
The tram not only provides better viewing of wildlife, but now visitors can interact with a volunteer or refuge staff member that is driving the tram. The tram operator is able to answer questions from riders in real time and point out examples of the year-round work that is done on the refuge to provide a haven for many wintering birds along the Pacific Flyway.
Over the wintertime, we have lots of different wildlife here, especially the waterfowl. We can easily have a million birds on one refuge. So here at the Sacramento Refuge, you're easily going to see snow geese, Ross's geese, white-fronted geese, and then a wide variety of ducks as well. And then, of course, herons, egrets, and the raptors that come following them down here from up north.
Veteran, along with first-time visitors to Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge, are excited to ride on a guided auto tour where the guests have little impact on the wildlife or the environment, and refuge staff is excited about interacting with visitors and sharing their knowledge with the public.